Using ground turkey has completely changed the way I think about cooking turkey dishes. Let me show you how to make this turkey meatballs recipe, which is my favorite ground turkey recipe because it is moist, flavorful, and so easy to make that you might never want to roast a whole turkey again. First, measure out half a cup of plain breadcrumbs and put them in a mixing bowl. Then, gradually stir in half a cup of almond milk, adding a little at a time while mixing to make sure everything combines well. You can use regular milk or half and half if that is what you have on hand. Next, crack 1 egg into the mixing bowl with the breadcrumbs. Add 1 small onion that is finely chopped, and 2 garlic cloves, also finely chopped, and give everything a good mix until it is all well combined. If the mixture feels too wet or runny, add a small pinch of breadcrumbs to balance it out. Now, season the mixture with 1 tablespoon of dried basil leaves. Then add 750 grams of ground turkey, which is about 1.65 pounds or 3.5 cups. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Using your hands, gently mix everything together until it is well combined, but avoid overmixing, as this can make the meatballs tough instead of tender. Once everything is mixed nicely, as you can see in the video, start forming the mixture into small balls, just like I am showing here. Try to make them evenly sized so they cook properly. Place the turkey meatballs on a greased baking tray, leaving a little space between each one so they cook evenly. This helps them brown nicely without sticking together. Bake the turkey meatballs in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes, or until they are cooked through and golden brown on top. Instead of spending hours roasting a whole turkey, this ground turkey recipe is so much quicker. You get meatballs that are super delicious, crispy on the outside, and juicy and tender on the inside, all in just 30 minutes. If you like this ground turkey recipe, you should definitely check out the simple healthy ground turkey meatloaf recipe also. It is easy to make, really tasty, and perfect if you are looking for something healthy but still super satisfying. Check it out now.